Hey guys, this is Manny with Drones Meet World, and this is my introduction video. A lot of you don't know this, but I've been in the YouTube community, since probably, I don't know, 14 years, maybe more. I used to do this with a group of friends, and we used to get millions of views before there was apps. Before there was YouTube on cell phones, before iPads and all that stuff. Yep, when you have to embed the code and send it in an email, we used to do pretty good. It was real funny context. I will never share it over here because that's, part of the past. But funny thing though is my first video has nothing to do with drones. My first video is inside my Kawasaki Teryx or Teryx, like a lot call it, and I like better the Teryx. Model S or Teryx S LE. I'm new to this off-road community, and right there in the background you could see our vests from our Sea-Doo Spark Tricks, which if you've been in my Instagram profile for a while, we've had them for the past 2 summers. There's a bunch of videos. Also, I'm a very, very hardcore Toyota fan. Well, if you've been to my Instagram profile, that's basically where it started. I've changed it a few names, but now it's finally everything is going to be Drones Meet World. And also, I'm going to be collabing with myself. September's coming up, so that means autumn is coming up. So after the fall, we have Christmas. And I also have a Christmas podcast called Feliz Christmas, Merry Navidad. There's Instagram, YouTube.com, everything for that too. So I'm basically going to record with my drone Christmas lights and put them over there and put them over here. It'll be, just managing 2 profiles. Eventually, I hope to make it. Right now, I'm in my garage. Not that much to see. I still haven't finished painting the walls in my garage, but I'm also doing some construction in the basement. So I have like my shower walls down here, and I have the cabinets and stuff back there. So like the walk around is not gonna be what I was hoping for, but there's always something that can be done. See, I still have to paint the edges, but I'm trying to do everything at the same time. And let's see here. Ooh, I can't flip the camera, can I? I don't know. This whole thing here doesn't let me flip the camera. But if you guys see behind me, here's my Kawasaki. This is a very nice little thing. I'm a former BMX rider. I used to race BMX. I tried to get back into the game and I ended up getting knee surgery. So that kind of didn't work out for me. I do have my mountain bikes around here. That's a Chase BMX right there. This channel, it's Drones Meet World. I want to get my name out there with the whole drone community. But I'm going to have just everything outdoors. Right here is my ski or my personal watercraft, and there's my wife's. So yeah, she bought these for us. So hey, come on, man, I gotta be proud of that. So these are Sea-Doo Spark Tricks 3-ups, and the tricks part is because you can do wheelies on them. My mountain bike is somewhere back there. Funny thing is, I've had this thing for about a year, this, whatever you want to call this thing, the gimbal, a selfie stick from DJI, which is pretty cool. But after I did all the courses to learn how to use it, I just left it collecting dust because I was working too much. That's my Specialized bike. She has a GT mountain bike. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of outdoorsy stuff. which, well, at least I got it to follow me, right? We're gonna do a lot of outdoorsy stuff, so just stay tuned. Yeah, my neighbor just decided to mow her lawn, whether clean cars out there. So yeah, the garage is for the cars. All this stuff in here, I have bathroom stuff and the skis and everything. They're gonna be stored differently, but for easy access in the summer, my skis will sleep in the garage, and then in the winter I would put them in their designated storage area. Yeah, kind of missed that spot right there. Hey, don't go off on me. This is a work in progress. I'm trying to work like my normal job while trying to figure out ideas to make money while creating content. So apparently in Georgia, in December 1st, so I've read, haven't checked any government websites, we will be able to register these side-by-sides as street legal vehicles and have a tag for it. And that's one of the things that I want to do. I want to take my drones in the back of this thing and then just go to different areas. I live in the countryside, so there's a lot of nice views and stuff that I usually go in my Tacoma, but what better thing than going out in a side-by-side and just enjoy nature, especially with the temperatures low in December. I'm also gonna go to trails. And this thing, when it comes to the drones, I have, I don't know how many, I'm gonna name them. Starting with my first legit drone my wife got me, which was the DJI Mini 2. That thing is freaking awesome. Then for Christmas I got the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Then I got the DJI Avata, or Avata, or whatever. I think it's Avata. Avata Kedavra. Also, as soon as the Mavic 3 Pro got here, I also got that one. And about a month ago, the DJI Air 3 got released, and I also have that one. I have a lot of drones and barely any flight time since I've been getting drones. No, I have not been sponsored, but DJI, if you're looking at this and you want to sponsor me, you know, now's the time. I have 0 subscribers on YouTube, and hopefully by the time you guys are checking this out, you can like my video and subscribe. I'll take in all the suggestions, positive suggestions for me. I'll take any constructive criticism. I have the ability to keep going on and on and on and on, talking and talking. Those patches over there, they're kind of driving me crazy, so I'll stick to over here. Wait. There's a patch also in the garage door. It's hot as hell in here. Yeah, I'll take any suggestions, but I do want you to like my videos and subscribe and share. They're gonna be all over the place. Like, I might have something in my side-by-side just going to get the mail. Oh wait, I already posted that one right before this video. My BMX bike, I'm not really gonna do anything just yet. I don't have the strength in my leg to go for it. On the skis, we still have a few weeks of good heat. I mean, it's almost 100 every day over here, and then when you least expect it, it starts raining. But the skis, we're gonna try and get some videos in there. Mountain biking and trails, the same thing again. I mean, I might just put one of my action cameras on the bicycle and just ride around the neighborhood. I can't risk it. One thing that I do like to do is collect electronics and stuff like that. So I have so many drones, and when it comes to GoPro, it's gonna be GoPro and DJI. I have the DJI Osmo Action 4, I guess that's what it's called. The last camera that came out a few weeks ago. It's pretty neat. That's one of the ones used for the mail video, which I did like auto editing, so it never caught me getting the mail. But it's a pretty neat camera. I have the GoPro Hero 10, GoPro Hero 11 and the Hero 11 Mini for different stuff. I put a soundbar also that I saw on YouTube and Amazon from Kemimoto on the side-by-side. I was feeling like crap, but my wife helped me put it on, so I didn't record that. For the time being, I am not going to go into details about the items that I use to play around with. Like I don't want to go with all the specs and everything because I'm not a pro. I might memorize the hell out of these things when I'm going to purchase, but I am not a pro. I'm gonna get corrected by a lot of people. You know, there's a lot of people out there that they have enough time in their hands to go and correct me. I mean, I've corrected other content creators and people that sell stuff, a minimum stuff, and you know, like I said, constructive criticism is always good. I just don't want to be corrected about specs and all the stuff. Most of the whole time. There are a lot of YouTubers, which I'm not going to start naming some because I do follow a bunch and I learn a lot from them. That's how I make my decision on if I want to get something or I don't. I am going to try to never or very rarely bash on a product for being crap because, I mean, we live in a time when you don't like something, just return it. Now, if you don't let me return it and you take my money and give me a piece of crap, then I'm going to bash your product. Don't have anything in mind right now. I am going to remain very positive with a very positive attitude towards how I want to go about all this stuff. So just come along for the ride. There's a lot of toys. There's a bunch of drones. I also have stories about how I got into drones. And yes, just like my profile says it, click somewhere, I don't know, profile, I don't know if you're on Instagram or on YouTube. I am a Part 107 FAA certified unmanned aircraft pilot or a drone pilot. I am certified, I have my license and everything. So, I'm up for hire too. You wanna do a roof inspection, you wanna take a picture or record a video of the property you're selling, you just wanna do a nice shooting for a wedding, for a sporting event and stuff like that. Hey, I'm your guy. I'm just learning. My fees are very reasonable. And my content for flying drones and my drone footage and all that, it's even been used by the local Department of Transportation in Georgia and previous company that I used to work for. So if it's good enough for them to promote and use on their website, then it's good to, get paid for it. And yeah, I mean, I don't have a jingle. Well, I do have one for my Feliz Christmas, Merry Navidad podcast. I might use that song over here. I don't know. But yeah, this is Drones Meet World. And yeah, this is an homage to Boy Meets World. I tried to do the whole thing, but it wasn't available. I think it was on Instagram. But then again, it's not just one drone meeting world, it's many drones meeting world and cameras and stuff like that. So let's see if this falls before I say goodbye. Oh man, this was a better angle than the garage door. Woo! Oh, I just hit my leg. Yeah, I installed these by myself. I'll fix it whenever I write it. But yeah, thank you for watching my first video. If it went too long, let me know. The next one will probably go 30 minutes. My garage is very, very hot, but hey, it's a start, And I am also in the home, like my whole construction and all that. I am gonna have my mini studio to talk about my adventures while I also show you footage of the things that we go and do in these crazy outdoor toys and drones and all that, and talk about stuff. And we're gonna have live sessions and stuff like that, but that, time will tell how we're gonna do that. Just everybody remain safe. Look up in the sky. If you see my drone, look around. If you see me, come ask for stickers. We have stickers. Yeah, we do. Let me see, let me show you. Come on, man. I already put one here. Whoa. Feliz Christmas, Merry Navidad. And drones meet world. See, I gotta get used to my own whole thing. Be safe, everybody.